Hey, what's up everybody? As you recently may have seen in some of my recent videos, my FJ Cruiser just recently reached over 100,000 miles, and with that comes an entire checklist of maintenance items. And so I just wanted to go over today the list of items that I did on my FJ. Now I happened to take it into the dealership, so I just wanted to go over what I did and what that cost me. I think this might be a helpful video to see what certain services might cost at the dealership, and based on that information you might want to take it to a private mechanic, do it yourself, or take it to the dealership. In my case, it was the most practical for me to take it to the dealership. I just so happened to work near a Toyota dealership, and it was just convenient for me to drop off the FJ, go to work, come back at the end of the day, and have everything completed. I know a lot of you watching like to do the maintenance on your own, so more power to you if you can do these things on your own. I know a lot of people try to avoid the dealership at any cost, and typically I'm one of those people, but it just so happened to be more convenient for me to drop it off. All right, so with that being said, let me just kind of get into the items that were done on my FJ Cruiser. I've got the work order here, and I'm just gonna kind of go through it. I didn't expect this to be cheap, and it certainly was not. So I'm just going to get into it, okay? All right. I had a total of 9 service items done on my FJ Cruiser. The first thing is I had a coolant flush. They used the Toyota Pink Long Life coolant, which is good for 5 years or 100,000 miles. In this case, it was appropriate service for 100,000 miles. Parts, $31.62. And the labor, $217.38. All right, the next thing I got is a brake fluid flush. Parts were $39.95. Labor was $200. They gave me a $100 discount on this one, so the grand total for the brake fluid flush was $139.95. All right, next up, I got the spark plugs replaced. Spark plugs, I believe you can replace at 120,000 miles. Since I was already there, I decided to have this done. This was the most expensive thing. All right, parts. So each spark plug costs $14.90. Total parts for all the spark plugs was $89.40. The labor itself was $550. So for the spark plug service, $639.40. All right. Next up, I got the oil change, which includes the filter and a tire rotation. Parts for the oil, $13.65 for the oil, and something called a replaceable element, $3.24. Labor for oil change was $73.06 for a total of $89.95. All right, item number 5, transmission fluid flush. Parts for that, $43.95, and then labor, $205.05, for a grand total of $249. All right, number 6, I got the differential service. So I had the rear differential fluid drained and replaced. Parts for this, $59.98. Labor for that was $330 for a grand total of $389.98. Okay. Item number 7, power steering fluid. Parts, $42.95. Labor, $206.05. They gave me a $100 discount on this one for a grand total of $149. All right, item number 8, I got the fuel injection clean service. Parts were $49.95. Total labor was $155.05 for a grand total of $205. And last one here, item number 9, throttle body cleaning. Parts were $15.99, and the labor was $189 for a grand total of $204.99. All right, so I also had them grease the Zerks while they were down there, and they did that free of charge. I mean, based on everything I paid, that was the least they can do anyway. So with all of these things combined, the total amount of money that I paid for parts was $390.68. Total amount that I paid for labor was $2,125.59. After the $200 discount that they gave me, I paid a grand total of $2,356.31. All right, so that is a big number. There's always a give and take here of time versus money. I happen to just want to get these things out of the way. To do these things myself probably would have taken me weeks, and that's just something that I wasn't willing to do, and doing a lot of things that I am not completely comfortable with doing. Secondly, I just wanted to have a record of all of these things, especially with the 100,000 mile service. I'm probably missing a couple of things. I know that there's a long checklist of things to be done at 100,000 miles. If I'm missing something, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you think about this. I'm pretty sure we're going to have some pretty strong opinions here. So yeah, with that being said, I just wanted to share that information with you guys. I'm looking forward to another couple 100,000 miles on this FJ Cruiser. So thank you again for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.